Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw beautiful makeup kits. Here I am drawing a beautiful lipstick, then I will draw a beautiful nail polish, and then I will draw a beautiful comb. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. This is so easy to draw makeup kits. I finished to draw the picture. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using beautiful brush pen colors. Let's start to coloring. First one I am using red color. Now I am using deep pink color. Now I am using purple color. Here I am using brown color. This is deep green color. This is light green color. This is light pink color. And the last one I am using turquoise color. Wow, all the items are looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids. Wow!